Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limpo Mukhali. Mbombela Stadium is where I met Women's Under-20 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Ghana versus Basitana, a game as of two which has ended in Ghana prevailing by a goal to nil and marching on with the multiple 3 points. And now I'm with the fans president, President Shumeli Mnandi, Mr. Thousands himself, CTS Galaxy president himself. The president is being recognized even internationally. President, greetings, President. You are not with the ministers today, but you are now moving with Ghana President. President, good afternoon. Can I please take off the hat as a sign of respect, as I would normally do, President? President, President, yes. Analysis of the game and interpretation, and what do you make of today's game?
Yes, my brother, thank you for the support, for today's support. It was good, the support. Even Ghana, it supporter, and I'm happy with Ghana is supporting. Even now, they are recognizing me as a president. They are behind my back now in show of a support. With the bank supporter, I'm a president here. Coming to today's game,
yes, President.
Ghana, they said to look at from starting from the.
They were all over you, President.
Yes, they were all over us. I don't know what were we defending.
Yes, President.
How can you defend 0?
Yes, President.
You are defending 0. No. I'm not happy about today's game because when you check Nale Patin, Intellectual.
Yes, President.
Coach were to it was 5-4-1.
Yes, President.
That tactic I guess maybe they just on the other game.
Yes,
I guess we're home here. We're supposed to win the game.
Yes, President.
How can we allow Ghana coming from I don't know how many kilometers away,
yes,
from here, and yes, and now they won. They won, and I'm happy for them.
Yes, President.
But this game it was nice. And coming to Ghana.
Yes, President.
Ghana, there's this player, their captain, number 11.
Number 11. Ghana's number 11. Yeah.
Number 11.
Yeah.
Going far.
Yeah.
She's going far.
It's going far.
Number 11.
Yeah.
And my substitutions were too.
Yes.
Number
President.
10. Number 10.
Yeah.
Number 10, let's go game. The game is there, but it was late.
Yes, President.
The substitution was late. Yes. Thank you, my brother.
President, before let's try and move away from national team duties and come to domestic league. It's now 4 games for the Rockets without a win in the Petro Premiership League now. President, in what manner are you supposed to fix that now? President, how do you fix that now? President? How do you fix that?
My brother, he came here Durban City. Remember last time I told you my team as at Durban, they give us hard time.
Yes, President.
And I don't know why. All the teams of Durban, they are giving us hard time.
Yes,
but
President.
we will work on that.
Yes, President.
I feel sorry for Siwelele.
Yes,
because
President.
our next game on the 28th, we are going to play Siwelele. Siwelele FC will pay the debt of Durban City.
Yes, President.
Select Durban City, but Swelele, because now we are hungry for a win. I was thinking it will be my Valentine's present.
Yes, President.
That 3 points, it was supposed to be my Valentine's present. Now the president is without a Valentine.
President is not happy. The president must address the nation.
The president must address the nation. I need to call a family meeting.
Yes, President.
Yes. Sitowina coming next game.
Yes, President.
Yes, coming to Swelele.
Yes,
but my boys there. Lapak defense. They must work on the defense, man. But penny Lapak defense.
Yes.
They must work on that. Yes, my brother.
Thank you very much, President. President, my minister and our councillor bagu upinga kutingwagele fast.
Yes, my minister, my councillor. Remember, we are going for a local election.
Yes, President.
They are busy campaigning.
Yeah,
campaigning. They want to Balo. See, retain our
seats,
our what and everything.
Yes, President.
Must retain the logo. They are busy. So now I'm alone here.
Yes, President.
So I don't think they will ambush me.
President, thank you very much once again for your time.
Thank you.
Kind of friends, let's give a round of applause to the president. Thank you.